serve immediately to enjoy the chewy texture and milk palm sugar filling.
So,
First, we add half a ulang lagi dong.
okay. Hello guys, welcome to our kitchen.
Hi, hello.
So, we're gonna make.
The traditional Indonesian sweets, Klepon.
Before that, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Karisya Putri.
I'm Laeli. So let's get started. Bye.
Ramadan merah pertama.
So, let's get started. So, for the material, there is a large mixing bowl for mixing the dough. There is a pot for boiling the klepon, and there is spoon for stirring the dough.
There is knife. There is a strainer to drain the klepon, and serving plate to serve the klepon. First, we add half a teaspoon of salt to the prepared grated coconut before steaming it in a pot.
Prepare the pot for steaming the grated coconut.
Time to steam.
In a large mixing bowl, place 200 grams glutinous rice flour,
Jadi nanti sini bikin lagi dong. Add the best pandan, ada.
Now kneading with your hands until the dough is smooth, slightly chewy and non-sticky.
Gak sticky, yay, jadi, oh my god. Take a small portion of dough, flatten the bowl and place a little grated of palm sugar. Make sure not to overfill, as it may spill out when boiled.
Prepare a pot of water and bring it to a boil over medium heat. Boil the klepon until they float to the surface, which indicates they're cooked about 5 minutes.
Roll each klepon ball in the grated coconut until it's fully coated. The klepon is ready to eat.
Ta-da! After the practice is done, let's work together to create the prosedur teks. Start with the goal, followed by materials, ingredients, and then the steps. Don't forget to include connectives, imperative sentence, and adverbs in the steps section.
What could you lose?